Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read the assignment for you. The first thing you need to do is type your first and last name. For this assignment, you need to decide whether the word has a short vowel A sound or if it has a long vowel A sound. Number 1, the word is cake. Cake. Decide if it has short vowel A sound or long vowel A sound. Number 2, cat. Short vowel A or long vowel A. Cat. Number 3, day. Short vowel A or long vowel A. Day. Number 4, apple. Short vowel A or long vowel A. Number 5, plain. Short vowel A or long vowel A. Number 6, math. Short vowel A or long vowel A. Math. And number 7, paper. Short vowel A or long vowel A. Once you are finished, please make sure to hit submit. Thank you.